students, in this section we will see first practical of computer organization and architecture. So aim of this practical is study of DOS and BIOS interrupts. This DOS and BIOS interrupts are used to perform some specific function or some useful function, such as taking the input from keyboard and displaying on monitor, displaying the output on the monitor, displaying the string on monitor. So all these functions are performed by the DOS and BIOS interrupts. So first we will see BIOS interrupt, that is of 10H. First function is 00H, so it is used to set the video mode. Means we are not running the we are not running the program in the text mode, but we are running the program in the graphics mode also. So for that purpose, this function 00H is used, which is used to set the video mode. Here the function 00H is stored into the AH register, and AL will contain the video mode, and it will set the resolution as well as the text width, and all that things is set by this function 00H. Next is a function 01H of INT10H, which is used to set the cursor type. It is used to set the cursor type, and it select the starting and ending lines for the linking hardware cursor. Next is 6H, which is used to scroll the window up. Then 7H, which scroll the window down. After that 8H, which read a character and its attribute at the cursor position. Means where the cursor is on the monitor, it will read that character and its attribute on that cursor position. Next is a 09H. It write a character in and its attribute at the cursor position. Okay, means what? Means at the cursor position, at any cursor position on the monitor, it will write the character as well as its attribute. Okay, so here we have to store the 09H in the AH register. AL will contain the ASCII value of that character. Okay, BL will contain the attribute of that character. 0AH is used to write a character at cursor display at the current cursor position. At the current cursor position, it will display the character. 0CH, it is used to write the graphics pixel. As we know, if you want to draw the line or if you want to draw the rectangle, so it is a collection of pixel. So by pixel we are plotting our line. So for that purpose, the 0CH function is used, which will draw a point at the cursor position. Okay, so here we have to give the function number in the AH register, and in CX and DX there is a X and Y coordinator. Means what, from where we have to start to draw that line. Then DOS interrupt. So first DOS interrupt means the functions of INT21H. So in this, the function 01H is there. So what this function will do, it will take the input from the keyboard and it will display it on monitor. Means it will echoes it on monitor. Display means the synonym for display is echoes. So it will display it on monitor. So here we have to store the 01H function in the AH register, and the input which is taken from the keyboard is stored into the AL register. Okay. Next is 06H, which will read a character from standard input device and writes a character to the standard output device. Next function is function 02H, which is a output function, and it is used to print the output on the monitor or on the output device. For example, if we are performing the program of addition, so if there is the two inputs are 3 and 2 and the output is 5, so here we have to print this 5 on the monitor. So for that purpose we will use this 0 to h function. So here we have to store this output in the DL register. We have implicitly store this 5 in the DL register, and then we can use this function 0 to h of INT21H to display it on monitor. Okay. Similarly, 09H is also the output function which is used to output a string on monitor. So what is string? It is a sequence of character. Like we are using the printf function in the C, here we are using 09H function. So here we have to store the 09H function in the AH register. Okay, dx will contain the offset of the data that is to be displayed, and it will print the character till this dollar sign is there. Means we have to give the dollar sign at the end of the string. So this is function 09H, and here we are printing or displaying the string that is message 1. So this message 1 will be displayed by using this 09H function of INT21H. Next function is 07H of INT21H, which is used to take the input from keyboard, but it does not display it on monitor. Means it without echoing that character on the monitor. Okay. For example, password. In case of password, it is not able to see, we cannot see the password character on the monitor. So for that purpose we can use this 07H. So here we have to store the 07H function number in the AH, and the character which is inputted from the keyboard is stored into the AL. But instead of that character we have to display asterisk or any sign instead of that character. Okay. So this is the 07H function which will take the input from keyboard, but it does not display it on monitor. Okay. So these are the interrupt functions which we are using in our programming. The most useful functions are 01H, 07H, 09H and 02H. 01H is take the input from keyboard and display it on monitor. 07H is take the input from keyboard but it does not display it on monitor. 02 is used to display the output on the monitor, and 09H is used to display the string on the monitor. So this is about DOS and BIOS interrupts. So thank you so much.